We're back. Okay, should be part 3. I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's do this. I have to really try. So right now we're heading to that little like thing right there, so then we can head to the castle. We were at the Mount Luar, and there was like a giant dragon thing that came out of the sky, and it came down and it killed some. And we made it here before I got lost and had to turn off the game because I was too boring. But let's figure out what we have to do. So, do I have to go in here? Is there someone in here? Oh my god, I got to go. What? This boy trying to eat the top. You trying to eat the stack? He's trying to eat the stack. We don't let cats eat steak. And we also got this new bow in the last episode. Okay. Oh, shoot. Do you guys have Black Rot? No? Yep, they do. They have it on the shoulder.
The work of a master archer. And a vicious killer.
Penetrated there.
I feel eyes on me, watching.
Tread lightly. Whoever stalks you is no simple marauder.
Where's the next? Okay, now what do we got from here? I guess we have to. Oh yeah, we have to go up there because gamer vision, YouTube videos in. Oh, Blackpink. And that was like the scene in Manic Anakin where he killed all those children. Checkpoint? This is a weird fight room. This is a weird fight room.
How dare you wield that bow, you cursed filth! By the will of the goddess and the command of my general, I will purify this mountain.
But who's okay,
Come out
Batman.
of the shadows and fight me like a warrior!
Fine then. If that's how it has to be.
The armor this man wears. How he wields his bow. There is no mistaking it. He bears the sigil of the Order of Purity. My order.
Hut.
So, you were one of them. Shouldn't they all be long dead?
If my order endures, it has become something monstrous.
Twisted by the curse.
Oh my god! Wait, this is a cool bow! Look at this bow! I want to keep the bow. Okay, we're keeping the bow. Oh my god, we're rich. Oh, that was nice. Yes! We're upgrading the co-op. Bro, we got a little poopy thing. Okay. Do you have enough for my sword? So, I actually like this a lot. When are we gonna fight the boss? The big motherfucker. Okay, let's go. Traveling to the Great Lift. It can't be that easy if they made a whole thing on the Great Lift.
There. The Great Lift will take us to the mountain's top.
How do you know it still functions?
In all the lands, there were no
Oh, that's
greater
sick.
engineers than the miners of Mount Ivar. It was they who constructed the chains and armor that once forced the behemoths to serve as weapons of war.
Noted. Those ones explode. The bird thing is here again. The dragon. My hands are sweaty, bro. This is pretty cool.
What more can you recall about your order?
The memories return. We protected the kingdom from behemoths. Our aim was to defend all, not only who the king deemed worth protecting.
They don't seem to be defending anyone now.
I suppose even now the Order endures, but we fought the curse. We would never enter cursed lands willingly.
God, I'm scared. Oh no. Hello? Shit, take over. Shit.
Ren, are you hurt?
I'm fine. I'll need to find another way to reach the summit.
Indeed. It would also appear this behemoth remembers the work of those who bound it.
We're gonna bring this with us. Okay. Oh my god, there must be a giant spider. Is the spider one of the behemoths? No. No. God dang it. Dabba 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 dabba. Alright. Man, I suck at this, bro. Oh wait, you have to go this way. We lost the torches. I want to check out what's over there first. Oh wait, we were over there. Dubba 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 dubba.
In the heart of the earth, beneath the moon's silent watch, we have carved a temple from the rock. There, the echo of the great bat's cry lies our roots, a symphony of the night that finds our worship.
Katanas? We got a Colossus Katana. Or I think it's a Colossus. I want to check out what's over here first. I love the key system. That's something I always wish like Blade and Sorcery could add. Like you actually need a key to open one of the treasure rooms. It would add more like dungeon-y taste to it. Oh my god! Come and fight me, child! Got her. stormtroopers killed this Okay, let's go. Okay, let's try out this Kalak blade. Not yet. Okay. I'm not talking, bro. Oh my god, that was so boring of me. I'm sorry guys, I wasn't talking. I forgot I was recording. Oh. Wow.
Feed us your dark nectar. O terrible God, with each offering laid upon the stone, the cavern thrones with power. The great balance approval
What the fuck?
manifesting.
Dancing into the midnight. Na, 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 na. god.
Accept our flesh as a tribute, God of the sky. We feast on your remains and leavings. Eager to taste fraction
Trick shot.
of your grace.
Box fight soon. Holy shit! No! Oh, God, I'm down here, bruh. Okay. Okay, I'm done being locked in. Let's play now. Okay. I was not talking. Okay, let's do this. Oh no.
You walk on hallowed ground.
Careful. There is a foul magic here. Something in her voice.
Outsider.
Come down, motherfucker. You were supposed to be strong? Oh. Disappointment. Look at these, bruh. Bruh, she didn't even make it. She didn't even make it past her first screen, bruh. It just went crazy. That wasn't so hard. I don't know why some people are crashing out over that part. I don't think this one will break this time, because the other ones break.
Now you're mine.
Never mind, Red.
Damn thing. I'm coming for you.
Was that piss? No, that's gold. Bruh. Okay, let's head up, let's head out, let's head out. Spooderman. Spooderman. Does whatever Spooderman can. I think I'll take it. Because then I can do it. Yeah, I'll do this. Blue da ba dee ba da ba. Blue da ba dee da ba dee da ba. I'm blue da ba dee ba da ba da dee da ba da. Blue da ba dee. Alright. Blah 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 blah. I'm blue da ba dee. So after this, there should be one more boss because in the first one, you have to fight 2 bosses and then you made it to the kaiju, or whatever it's called, behemoth. I think we'll make it to the next behemoth today. I went backwards. God damn it, how much times have I went backwards, bro? At the start, at like this episode, I also went backwards at the start, and then my headset died, bro. How much times am I going backwards, bro? Ah! What the? Okay. We're done now. I'm blue, blah 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 blue blah 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 blah. Blah blue, blah blah blue, blah blah blah, blah 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 blue. Blah. Nice. Sacrificing chamber. Okay, next part. Traveling to the cattle in the sky. Okay, I think we're gonna end it once we make it to the next boss. And then I'll end it, okay? Once we make it to the next boss, I'll end it there. Alright. We'll make it to the next boss, then we'll end it. Okay, let's go now. I ain't gonna mess up. I might actually just mess up. We're good. What? Third episode. I'm not even gonna start talking. Let's just get into the game. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut out that part. Dancing, I know something to do. I love you. Okay. Dancing, I know what to do. She ain't tell me what to do. I said to die, and everything. Everything I'm dancing. Saw so bright. I'm good. Oh my god. Holy shit. Bruh. Bruh. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Grab him! God, this part is so frustrating. I don't know how I fucking died the first time. Dabba 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 dabba. Okay, I'm probably just gonna cut until I make it over there. So let's try. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, it took 2 tries. Oh my god. That's so big, bro. Like, there's no way I'm gonna climb. Whee!
success in covering our ears with the terrible screams of the ferals. I suggest we requisition new helmets that dull the sounds of their dangerous screams, lest the men are driven insane.
I'm gonna save. Get up on the floor, in the shower. God damn. This thing is crazy. Oh, frick. No! Man, at this point, I just want an axed colossal weapon. So if we have a bow, then there has to be a colossal. All the types of weapons. There has to be a better one. Oh my god, are y'all done?